As we continue our exploration of pharmaceutical technology transfer, a particularly critical aspect warrants its own focus: the transfer of equipment. Successfully replicating a manufacturing process at a new site often involves the relocation or acquisition of specific equipment. Ensuring that this equipment is properly transferred, installed, qualified, and performs equivalently to the originating site is paramount for maintaining product quality and process consistency. Understanding the key considerations for pharmaceutical equipment transfer is essential for a seamless and compliant transition. Why is the transfer of equipment such a significant element of pharmaceutical technology transfer? Manufacturing processes are often highly dependent on the specific characteristics and performance of the equipment used. Differences in equipment design, age, calibration, or even the utilities available at the receiving site can significantly impact product quality and process parameters. Therefore, a well-managed equipment transfer ensures that the receiving site has the necessary tools operating within the required specifications to produce equivalent product. The process of pharmaceutical equipment transfer typically begins with a detailed inventory and assessment of the equipment at the sending site. This includes identifying critical equipment, documenting its specifications, performance history, maintenance records, and calibration status. A comparability assessment is then conducted to evaluate the differences between the equipment at the sending and receiving sites. This helps determine whether existing equipment can be moved, new equipment needs to be acquired, or modifications are necessary. If equipment is to be moved, a detailed decommissioning and transportation plan is developed. This plan addresses the safe removal, packaging, and transportation of the equipment, ensuring it is protected from damage during transit. Upon arrival at the receiving site, installation qualification, IQ, is performed to verify that the equipment has been correctly installed according to the design specifications and is connected to the appropriate utilities. Following installation, operational qualification, OQ, is crucial to demonstrate that the transferred equipment operates correctly within the established operating ranges at the new site. This involves testing critical functions and parameters, often mirroring the OQ performed at the sending site. Performance qualification, PQ, then confirms that the equipment consistently performs according to the predefined acceptance criteria during trial batches at the receiving site using the transferred manufacturing process. Throughout the equipment transfer process, thorough documentation is essential. This includes records of the equipment assessment, decommissioning, transportation, installation, and qualification activities. Any modifications made to the equipment during the transfer must be documented and justified. Calibration and maintenance procedures for the equipment at the receiving site must also be established. Successful pharmaceutical equipment transfer ensures that the receiving site has the necessary tools, operating within qualified parameters, to consistently manufacture product of equivalent quality to the originating site, contributing significantly to a successful overall technology transfer. Enjoyed the video? Want to stay up to date with the latest GMP insights and guidance? Then make sure to subscribe to our channel. We've got tons more helpful content coming your way. Hit that subscribe button and join the GMP Guide community.